So when teenagers, particularly young girls, face online bullying and harassment, some of the things that they can do is, first of all, create a culture of safety around them. So there must be some people around them who are their go-to people to advise them on particularly cybersecurity. Cybersecurity has some basic facets. One of the most important ones is that your online identity is pretty much like your house. So if you have a Facebook account, or if you have a Gmail account, if you have a Twitter account, these are your domains. When you sign up with the corporation like Twitter or Facebook, the contract is between you and that company. No third person should have access to that. And if anybody wants to have access to that, you have a right to create a wall around that domain yourself. A lot of people feel that parents should have access to that domain, especially for young teenage girls. My perspective on that is, of course, if young teenage girls are putting themselves in danger, there has to be a certain oversight. But technically, if young women, especially 18 and above, have access to their Facebook accounts or their Twitter accounts, they're the sole owner of that domain, and how they choose to use it is completely their domain. So usernames and passwords are very important. They have to be strong. They have to be linked. You should not write them anywhere. And there's a basic cybersecurity course that both Google, Twitter, and a lot of these organizations offer for free online. You should just access them and understand some very basics of cybersecurity. So empower yourself and learn why cybersecurity is important. But the most important thing is to understand that it is not for sharing. It is not something that anybody has a right to get into. Your personal life, whether it is how you plan your future or who you want to marry, etc., is a very private domain. And this is the great thing about the internet in Pakistan. It allows young women the opportunity to kind of cross those patriarchal barriers that they cannot otherwise.